Welcome! How would you like to invest with confidence and to reduce your risk by knowing when to get out at the right time? My name is Ninette Usain-Emitz. I have learned from the best and work on Wall Street for a quarter century. Now, the same simple and effective technique I have used to succeed are available to help you invest or trade.
To demonstrate my method, I agreed to let a journalist observe my trading in a live session, and I made close to $9,000, which was featured on front page news. The same system works for investors as well. I used it when I bought gold at the low or when I called the stock market top publicly and to the day before the crash of 2008. After acting on my alert, one of BNP Paribas senior banker wrote, "Thank you," millions of times. For years, I reserved my research and strategies to multimillionaires who paid me handsomely to increase and preserve their wealth. Today, you can have access to it. Let me teach you the rules to follow and the timing secret to become richer while you reduce your risk. In reminiscence of a Wall Street trader, I gave a few hints about my method, but now there is a complete course available so you can learn and apply the same tools and principles I use to become very successful.